Graham Field has been proudly manufacturing Hausted stretchers and Surgi chairs since 2013 in our Fond du Lac, Wisconsin facility. In our 400,000 square foot facility, Graham Field employees work to bring the highest quality Hausted stretchers and chairs to patients across the country and globe. Each Hausted procedure stretcher and surgical chair has been skillfully engineered to care for your patient from start to finish, starting with the preoperative testing and preparation, surgical procedures, and all the way through post-operative care and recovery. It starts with receiving American steel that arrives several times per week. High-quality steel is the foundation of quality in our manufacturing process. Building stretchers is a multi-step process of building sub-assemblies that will be built into the finished stretcher that is shipped to the hospitals and surgery centers, outpatient centers, and anywhere safe, streamlined patient transport and positioning are required. Beginning with precision bending and stamping by our experienced staff, a state-of-the-art laser tube cutter ensures consistent measurement and uniformity of the metal framing, which will make every bed be built exact and structurally robust every time. In 2023, we installed our second robotic laser tube cutter as part of our capital investment in our Made in USA strategy. Skilled welders perform the small assembly detailed welds, while robotic welders are used for high-volume bonding for the large assemblies. This allows us to assemble a stretcher more efficiently and get them to our customers sooner. Teams attach columns, shroud, and casters to the sub-assembly, then moved on to the next team. Other team members work on patient surface and rails. Blueprints and work orders are always used to ensure every stretcher is assembled precisely. Each step of the way, tests are done to ensure stretcher parts are working smoothly. Accessories and loose parts are secured to chairs and stretchers to ensure safe transport. Finished stretchers and chairs are passed on to the next team, who carefully package the product. Labels and serial number tracking are applied to the boxes. We are proud to provide quality-driven American-made stretchers and chairs to our customers. Hausted is a trusted name with thousands of stretchers and chairs in use, many lasting decades. After 1 decade of manufacturing Hausted stretchers and chairs in Fond du Lac, we built the quality that is associated with the Hausted brand. Made in USA, right here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, Hausted by Graham Field.